they were dragging me on TikTok, say Enogie don't sack her, Enogie don't sack her. I did not come on one day to defend to say maybe you sacked me or you did not sack me, because I felt like going to defend anything was just like creating issues where they were.
That one not be the
So
main
if are you
reason
doing
why
all this, and believe me, it's not nice. You understand?
It's
You're
nice.
making me feel like all the help I ever rendered was stupid. You understand? If you just want to saga me, if I know you do it willingly, no problem. You understand? If you want to saga me, if I know you, it's fine by me. You come, I have family on social media, if I know you. You coming out here to want. Wow. Give me the respect too. It's not nice. It's not nice.
Stop. You wish us it's not nice. Now money matter now they call you for. You know you can't bring another one.
Papa and I bring the matter come. Now matter we ask me.
What you they thought different?
Where you wait? What you did? You want change the thing as if say.
Stop now they respond to.
The problem be say, what did I call you for? They different for you they tell me. That's the truth. Because the main reason why they call you here now because of this particular issue. Is it right? For you know fully well saying up that money not be you send that for me. You know. And I was saying, yeah, oh God bless you. You could not say, it cannot be my own, no, you kept mute. Because they ask you now for public. You they tell me say whether you respond to me. You not respond to me, but you think say you smart. I only like when you don't error for you to tell say this is when I do so I not like you will call the one they do say now the person I do bad I the hate her for my life. You offended me twice yesterday.
First of all, you offended me now. They hear me, you understand? You offended me now. If I know you want to tell you something, my parents are on social media. My brothers, my sisters, my friends are on social media.
Yes.
You bringing me out here to want to humiliate me is what me giving like as in is not welcome. You understand?
Okay, I brought you here to humiliate you. Okay, wait, you
bring
want make me dress now. Wait, you want provoke me now?
Me no get issue. If you like to saga my full generation.
I brought when I drop here.
Only wait.
Only Mudiane, calm down first.
I know
like Mudiane, you know say that only Mudia.
Willingly. You were not paying me. So
I never said I slapped you.
No, you were saying it to say you dropped me.
No. I said
you were
your
saying
services
it here.
is no longer needed.
You were saying
that
it here.
I said you should send me all the money that was with you.
You were saying it here.
So as a smart person, you for tell me before I tell you say me calculate the money for
no,
me.
I need to give you every penny that is in my account before I will say I'm not a stupid person.
No.
I must calculate any money where they with me. So that may you not feel like say that because I will calculate. I calculated every penny that was in my pocket and I sent it to you. After sending it to you and I said, Epa, I cannot be able. So you did not sack me like that. If you are because now you are saying no, it's okay, no problem. You sack me. If I know you sack me everywhere. You sack me.
The problem now will make me call you come here. You see, the time where you did work follow me as a PA. Have I ever offended you in any way?
I don't understand where that question is coming from.
Because the things you do in my back, I did hear.
But likewise, I hear a lot, but I just keep short because I don't want to. If you said you dropped me, even when they were dragging me on TikTok, say Enogie don't sack her, Enogie don't sack her. I did not come on one day to defend to say maybe you sacked me or you did not sack me, because I felt like going to defend anything was just like creating issues where they were.
That one not be the
so if are you doing all this, and believe me, it's not nice. You understand? You're making me feel like all the help I ever rendered was stupid. You understand? If you just want to saga me, if I know you do it willingly, no problem. You understand? If you want to saga me, if I know you, it's fine by me. You come, I have family on social media, if I know you. You coming out here to want.
Wow.
Give me the respect too. It's not nice. It's not nice.
Stop. The bishop is not nice. Now money matter now they call you for. You can't bring another one.
First, now
Papa no and I bring the matter come. Now matter we ask me
what you they talk different.
Where you wait? What you did? You want change the thing as if say
talk now they respond to.
The problem be say what did I call you for? They different for what they tell me. That's the truth. Because the main reason why they call you here now because of this particular issue. Is it right? For you not fully well saying up that money, not be you send that for me, you know. And I was saying, oh God bless you. You could not say, it cannot be my own, no, you kept mute. Because they ask you now for public. You they tell me say whether you respond to me. You not respond to me, but you think say you smart. I only like when you don't error for you to tell say this is the way I do so I not like you will call the one they do say now the person I do bad I the hate her from my life. You offended me twice yesterday.
First of all, you offended me now. They hear me, you understand? You offended me now. If I know, I want to tell you something. My parents are on social media. My brothers, my sisters, my friends are on social media.
Yes.
You bringing me out here to want to humiliate me is what me giving like as in is not welcome. You understand?
Okay, I brought you here to humiliate you. Okay, wait,
You
want make me vex now? Wait, you want provoke me now?
Me not get issue. If you like to saga my full generation.
I brought when I drop here.
Only wait.
Only Mudiane, calm down first.
I know
like Mudiane, you know say that only Mudia. There is something you are doing that made me say me you they go as a PA. Me they ask you for A, you they change the narrative to B. And they tell you say you sent me something on the 18th of March. You sent me something on the 18th of March. And I wrote, God bless you. I sincerely appreciate. You know fully well. You know fully well that it wasn't you that sent that money. You know. You walk up. Hey, if you tell me say it's okay again, they go block you. Sharply. They will block you. Now, the guy in question called the surprise say, which one be if I don't get the talk say, God bless you. Now I send the money. Now I make the guy contact me today. This is the first time when me and that get the talk. You say I bring you come media, say you get families for social media. After you don't already call me finish. So that girl, the girl gonna look me like an ungrateful person because I don't know say that she send the money. For me to tell the girl say, Tracy, God bless you. I saw the receipt where you sent through Enogie come for me because they thought say Enogie, God bless you. You know fully well that this was not you. You quiet. Now for you to talk say you dead sorry. You dey bring PA or no PA into this. You said the things when me they talk for your back. You say you dey hear. When the time comes, the people when they tell you the things when me they talk for your back, you go talk on. You will bring it out. Because yours evidence bofiara. Since you left this place as a PA, you have tarnished my image in my back. There is nothing you have not done to make sure say that platform go down. I not be as diploma. Now the thing where una do as diploma now I want be doing. That's why I tell you now say if I have ever toasted you, go and disgrace me publicly. If there's any time when me Enogie, don't they tell you say that way they owe money for me, and may you just shop and small, make me shop and small, come approve it. I hate it when they don't catch you for something, you call it say you smart. I hate it with passion. Now let me play the audio on that. Doesn't mean never talk, because if you don't talk, you'll come confused. Let me play the audio recordings. Don't tell me please sir. Hello. Yesterday please sir. Today again she will come and say please sir. Tomorrow she'll come to say please sir. Now if you cannot tell me that it was this person that sent me money and you kept quiet, there is more to this that I don't know. Power tap and share. There is more to this that I don't know. Because I don't know how many people now don't send money to you through me when me don't know. Meaning, the time when you they do PA, they follow me. You know, they tell me everything be that. Yes, I will judge you with what I see. Because if you cannot tell me that this particular money was sent by someone, meaning the time when that money they enter your account, you know you tell the truth that time be that. Because now what you do for person, and that person will take call you say you be thief, you not be thief. The mayor is the one that follows as diploma platform when I call charge out to prick and toto. I know myself very, very well. I know they lose guard. If any girl did this Europe, say me and Enogie, I don't follow and say, may I go sleep with you for hotel, my wife not go know. Come out and disgrace me. But that does not mean that I'm a perfect man. I be bad girl on my own. But you know Tiger, he get the way to the select, he leave when he eat. The only thing where do not go for make me vex for you. Now as I say this to yours now, Epa, I am sorry. You want to bring PA, you sack yourself, oh. I tell you, may you refund all the money, oh. We don't already know, say man. That is you purposely said that, so I not go be like I say now me sack you. That is it. We not be small picking. You want to start nursing school. Now when I come tell you say may you refund money, now that time you want to start nursing school. But I just okay, anyone, I still complain a year. I play your voice note for a year. I thought now me sack you. Now when people they saga me say now me sack you. You not go the same mumu go your platform. Where for the saga me go they contribute. Did I call you to ask you? I'm not called to ask you. The insult where go you insult me and my wife, you not put like for gossip me. They screenshot that for me. You see say I call you ask you. And they look you. The people where you they tell, where they tarnish my image to, they not man since you come up for them, they know they do donation like that again. You know, the one where I know the year, you know the one way I know the year, you know the. But me, I be person will be like tortoise. If I still say they deceive me, I'll begin to deceive you. Me will come do and pass you. That's the kind of person that I am. Somebody sent money to me through you. When this guy react me today, that's not me I caused this guy. Because no, I say, what kind of nonsense is this? You don't say
that last thing that you can't say, wanna guess what? Somebody send money, wanna guess. Ooh, I can't say ooh, you can't say yeah.
Oh.
For
people were saying, wow. God bless you.
Yeah,
oh, you not remember.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Yeah, oh, thank you. When we say, wow, that's nice.
You not remember.
Bless you. Even when we
hello.
You said the
when they talk say calm down. We not tell her God bless you.
As you send that message, go for your reply. Say
that person money. I say okay.
In case the person come
Tracy, God will bless you.
She tell me now I will forget to tell you.
God bless you.
Simple. Papa not there.
Now the girl will send me the money. Where send her giving her.
Yeah.
I'll still play audio just now. That one friend they call Vivian Cutler say, Tracy, now I say, you tell me that they will pay the look for 1 million naira. Say me fans donate for her. You not be you send money go give her in. The girl say yes. A part they take God bless you to in. That one say give me a PAN number.
Say now because you not support easy.
Give me a PAN number. I will collect. Now I take collect. Now I take collect my number. Call me. Now my people. Before I go further, let me play the audio recordings. You send me they bring you come. Say your family did me, they say they ridicule you. If you tell me, say Epa, this money not be mine, will I be angry with you now? There would have been no topic here. That's why I bring the evidence come and say at 18th of March. I say, God bless you, Enogie. I sincerely appreciate. You took the glory. You didn't tell me. If not for that girl today, now for nothing know till now. So that simply means something was fishing on the ground.
Even when you close, you call the time you say, no get problem. You know
when I know you.
You never know, say no, I will not be like that.
When you wear my PA. That is what I'm judging you with right now. It shows that you are not being transparent to me. That is why I tell you, say, if me and you don't discuss before, say, I don't come up for live video. Number I just they use the me you take 500K. What I do, if they don't finish, you want wait me, I'll say transfer and go my sister account. May you deal with some. Because sometimes I go they call you for a year. You not go come. Because why? I tell you wait verse you. Once, twice, 3 times. I observe you. If I dey talk some kind of things, it not go well with you. You go say, yeah. If I not talking like that, I say, no, I'm not talking like that. Okay. Where is he out? He go, you all lock up. Where is he out? He go, you all lock up. We go wait for you and we don't see how. When I call observe, I can say, now we're going to be doing this like this. Maybe they owe some money. Maybe they owe some money. If I not see you, I'll put my sister. Now, I cut the door. I want to play audio. I want to play audio. Listen. I want to play audio. Yes. I want to play in the voice note of that girl. I want to play it.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Pa. The thing even surprised me because ever since, if you dey on live, you always dey talk and say, even that day when you need 1 million, yeah, I'll send you money, you people not get problem. So the thing was surprising me that, yeah, it not tell you, say, not being sent the money. Say,
hello, anybody will go judge me wrongly. Say, yeah, we want you. And my head, then I go worry you. If they do you something, if they draw your enemy, they go back for life. You go, your enemy go, you not even your enemy. Your head go, they say, he may put. Your head go, they say, he may put. Because now this same of una so go they call say, now matter Enogie. Enogie is an ungrateful person. Imagine now say, this girl not call me. Maybe she just vex. She not call me. Tomorrow, if anybody wants to help me, this girl can tell them, no help her. If you help her finish, you go to praise another person. You know, for the wisdom where this girl used, take come tell me, say, now she send that money. Remove her. Any bad comment should be removed.
Your generation suffer for pay.
Unfriendly friend is not needed in my life. Not because I don't know it is some of all these people when they tell me a party do. If I notice you that you are unfriendly, automatically I go deviate myself, come off of everything. You see life? For you to just say sorry, you dey explain. You dey tell say, that day you said I sacked. You want to use matter, take cover matter. So because I told you, say I sack you or I not sack you, when me not talk from my platform, where the people will not still like you, they take the saga you. Now you can take the cover up now for this rubbish you do.
Yes, I told you, sorry, sir. Sorry.
say like one of your fans now send the money. The thing they surprise me. And I know say she dey see the video all the time, but she just feel of concern to tell you, say, oh sorry, Epa, check the receipt, not be me send them for you.
Exactly. I have repeated this 3 times. Enogie sent me money. God bless you. Enogie sent me money. God bless you. They get locked up. They wait making Enogie use my tell me. Enogie not tell me. He take the glory. Because I prayed for you and said, God bless you. I sincerely appreciate. She want to reply me. She said, but I answer you. I answer you. He said, well, so can people respond there? Go make you call the look yourself so that you they okay. You call they ask yourself. You just na me they wrong like this.
I say yesterday you see thank her.
I also appreciate that. That could provoke that girl today to write me. Now because they pay that girl a lot. But I just want to go deep. I just play the audio, make her rest.
She not even say anything about it. So now make me say, okay, make her correct her. Say that time when you take need 1 million, I me send her the receipt.
Okay.
Ever since before, I know if I do contribution, I know they send receipts to anybody. It was when I want to patronize her. I won't buy hair from her because she always say, "Mo, they patronize her because I be your fans." So I can't go this thing. Even one day she come on live, on our own life, I can't ask her. I can't tell her, I won't buy hair from you. So she can't say, okay, make I go her buy or may I collect her number, her WhatsApp number, may I send her the hair. I can say, okay. So I can't go there, I can't collect the number. So I can't forward one hair for her, saying that this hair I won't buy because I don't know what they call the style of the hair that time. I can't go mistakenly call the hair frontal, but she see the video when I sent for her, but not be frontal hair. Now baby face, and now I remember the hairstyle, baby face. Now I say I won't buy. That's why I patronize her. So 2 weeks now, she have not sent my hair, and no, I think on Monday here she come to tell me say her hair don't reach Nigeria, so that they work on the hair. As if they fix her, they'll come dress her, they'll come send her come here. And she never tell me, say, her hair no they come meet her direct here. She not tell me before, say her hair they go Nigeria before they'll come bring her come here. If not, I will not patronize her because I get who I dey buy hair for. I get hair vendor where I dey buy hair from for here. It's her.
Now you make problems with somebody until now business. I don't think just steady in that one. Now you claim say you send behind accord. All these things what they do here just now, I was just controlling myself. I just want to control myself. Because I don't know.
The wise now they create shall be not calling to settle one for his house. Now all matter they settle for his house.
Settle matter for his house of
Now don't get sense, be wise. Still the word.
Be wise. Settle outside of Nyabejwe.
Now all matter they settle for his house.
Where for do the donation of money?
Not be public.
Where for Thursday I did 1 million naira. Now your papa has afford one.
They talk anyhow.
Where for Thursday I need money. Not before live video. Yeah, for Thursday I need money. Not for live video. This guy for send me the money. What do you want to go to for his house? What block him? What baba? What block him? I hate it when you are wrong. You tell me you are wrong. Don't claim right. Don't claim right. Even you said the sorry not reach your belly, talk on. Don't cover any issue because I'm smart too. Two captain cannot lead in the same boat. You get people issue when I go discuss indoors because the issue now indoor for happen a lot. But this issue was discussed on media. I do that donation for social media. She said that for me for media. I appreciated that on media. So now she go and settle it his house. Now God will punish you, be wise. The wise are be wise. The
If I send money to her, between 3 days I don't see my hair. Even the hair I won't even use them for this Easter self to celebrate Easter. And now I know they see the hair. Means say that the hair will not even come this week and it's going to come. I don't even know when the hair is even coming itself. She didn't even give me dates or she didn't even tell me time that the hair will arrive here. So the thing was even bothering me, like, why did I even patronize this girl? It's because of Enogie fans, and I just said, okay, let me patronize her. So that was why I patronized.
Nice
her, not knowing that I'm not going to see my hair before Easter, and the Easter time, that's when I want to make use of my hair. I don't even know why. So that's it. Thank you, sir. Yes, I know that. I know say no longer be your PA again. I've already done that before you sack her for PA, but at least she's supposed to be tell you everything, as in, meaning say, as he hide this one now, I don't know why. Maybe she can also do it to someone else. Just that I'm coming to your life most of the time because I always work, I always busy. Yeah. So I surprised say you still there. A past the talk and say nah, she sent the money. So I was even surprised she did not even correct that place. The thing even surprised me, why she not talk and say, a look the receipt to not be me send the money. Oh. The thing surprised me, Shao. The thing surprised me. I don't know what.
That will not be the only thing. No. When you were my PA, matter will come up from my platform. You go to judge her for that. So waiting my wife not do. The boy will call you and say they look for a baby papa. Say they look for baby mama. Baby mama not let her see children. And your platform they forgo settle that matter finish. You see I talk. I call the looking. I beg you. I use God.
Guys, everybody double tap my face, please.
I use God, and everything to beg you. If you get with you, they shook my leg for. Because you are a good manipulator. Strong one. You see, this, you do me something finish. You say, I'm sorry. I don't need that again. Because you are doing this deliberately. You are doing it deliberately. At the end of the day, you can say, sorry, please now. Please, oh, why are you doing this now? Yeah, just why you stop now? Please now. I cannot do this thing to you. Person will send me money. You'll say, Pa, God bless you. For me to talk, say, not my own. Now, person send me receipt, make I send for you. You'll lock up. If you call the ask me, me call tell you, that day when you tell me, God bless you, did I mention anything? You always want to explain when you are wrong. I don't want to talk deep. Oh. You say the things when they talk about you. You say you did hear. Oh man. You don't say small picking. If you don't see pandediam, you can say you want it pandediam. If you see pandediam, you know fish up pandediam again. That's why I talk your matter rich. I don't want to get problem with you. Because the actions, I don't play everything. No. The cat thing with this girl be want to do me today because of you. Before I come tell her say me she not vex, I can't even the pet her. Because when she sent me the screenshot and everything, in fact, it been a while with me. It been a while with me. Yesterday, you came up and said, sorry. If I'm sorry now, I said, no problem. Today again, you did another one. Tomorrow, I never know the one we see they come again. I beg. Even if you no clear about to tell me sorry, that will not be problem. I know the verse for you. I still wish you well. Because the day when I called them, they say, you know, my pay again. I said, they say, you not thief me one day. You not do thief thing for me. Because when you were with me, you did tell me as it be. But this one now will come up and now come make me weak. Because I don't know what to say. Imam Yata. So, If there is anyone that have anything to say, people should come up. Not only I will be my fans or my people they watch. If anybody has anything to say, you can come and say it, but no insult, please. No insult, please. No insult, please. Osa's diplomat did not apply this diplomacy. They used Toto and Prick to spread that my brother platform. Toto not they flick me because my wife, they give me what I need. That's why they call her Pastor Grace. Now let me know it's in the make they call her that name. I say I am never. Now let me. That's why I did do my thing. I know they use my body till they call it. Because now only person where toast person had, they do person like this. Now man where toast get had, then they do never get they do this kind of thing too. So if he can't talk, he don't tell you know you're toasted. Because if not, why can't you just tell me, Ipa? Yes, Joy, start from you.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. I greet everybody. The thing is, I just, this whole thing, the quarrel, I won't say quarrel, this disagreement is quite unfortunate and it not be waiting I really expect, because ever since I joined this, your platform, I've always known you and ERO together. So Ipa, now still I don't want to go into details because they say, oh, who is wrong or is not wrong. Ipa, yeah, I know. It's quite, yes. When that girl sent that receipt to her, it does not take her 2 seconds to just tell you, say, Ipa, now you're one of your fan. Now I send this money to
reason. I have appreciated that on social media, and that was a very big disrespect to that girl. We send that money giver because she already follow and they do business of her, so they are not customers. That was why she sent the receipt to her. Maybe today they send receipt, they give person say, send and give this man or send and give this person. It was done on live stream. If I stay here another one tomorrow, I can talk now. Except say that thing no happen for social media, then I cannot call her indoor and ask her how it be, how it not be. As far it was done on social media, I will pray for her. Even when my fans don't know say that she send money. If I don't do this, this girl not go forgive me. Because that girl is not to be blamed. Because now today the girl can't get my number. Because now Africa even inform the girl, say, the money where you say you send give, I will make send give it back. The black how they claim the money, say now you know. No my thing. I didn't do anything wrong here. She should have used her wisdom to say, it's okay, it's fine. I did sorry. Just the way she did yesterday. Even if she bad doing you not come back doing I'm not going to concern me. But claiming right and telling me to my face that when you do that thing, whether he reply me, she should say she deliberately know what she's doing. Only today I still talk about the issue. So I say all the vessel, I want someone to only me make I pull my anger finish. Sweet banana talk.